This is the Manfrotto Reloader 55, and it is a travel-friendly carry-on solution for creatives. What makes this useful is that you have the build quality, the styling, and even a TSA lock to make a great carry-on solution, but inside, this thing is built for the traveling photographer or cinematographer. When you open this bag, you have a generous amount of dividers and pockets and slots that you can customize to your needs. Whether it's cameras, film, batteries, storage, filters, cables, flashlights, you name it, you can find a way to fit it in here. If you're the kind of person that needs a one-bag solution for your wedding, for your adventure, for your travel, this is something you have to consider. There's also these support straps that make sure your lid isn't just falling all over the place. On the front, you have a slot to put your backpack, but what's really cool is that if you're tired of rolling your bag around the airport, is you can turn this into a backpack and just make it easier to get moving. Again, it's the Manfrotto Reloader 55. If you're looking for a more efficient and comfortable way to travel with your equipment, this is the bag you gotta consider.